Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this mechanism in Solidworks. Let's start. First, click on assembly and click on OK. After that, go here. Now go to design library. We are going to basically toolbox, ANSI matrix, power transmission, gears and select per gear. OK. Now match the setting as I've shown here. You can increase or decrease the width as per your requirement. Okay. In my case, this is fine. Click OK and close it. Now, what I need to do is right click on it and click on hide components. Basically, we are going to use it but later onwards. Now, first thing we have to do is make another part, import another part, that is rack. So import it. Make sure that it has a module of 1, pressure angle 20 and face width 5 mm. Okay. After that, you can increase or decrease the height as per your requirement. In my case, length is 80 mm. Let's increase its length to 150 mm and click OK. Close it. Select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Click on convert entities to convert the sketch. OK. After that, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C to copy, click on yes and click OK. Now exit the sketch mode, right click on this rack, click on hide components. After that, also hide this sketch because we don't want to see currently. Now click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl V to paste the sketch that we have copied from it. Now go to the features, click on extrude, enter the value of 5 mm, click OK. Okay, so we got our rack, and if I right click on it and click on show, we got our pinion. Okay, so select this gear. One more thing, first exit that sketch mode. Okay, now select this gear and drag it. As you can see, I am getting a pop-up that selected component is fixed and it cannot be moved. So first right click on it, click on float so that we can move it. As you can see, I can now move it. Now what you need to do is go to the mates, select this face and this face. Okay, this one is fine. Click OK. After that, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now go here, tooth cut, right click on it, click on show. Similarly, uh, right click on it, click on right click on this one and click on show. Basically, I was just want to copy a property. Tooth cut, yeah, this one. Click on show, press Ctrl 8. So basically, what we need to do is we need to measure the distance from here to here. So let's evaluate the distance, measure. So it is 1.03 mm. Okay. So we need it. Now simply right click on it, click on hide components. Now select this gear, go to assembly, click on edit components, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. After that, select this face, click on sketch, draw a center line. Select this line, make sure it is horizontal. After that, go to the smart dimensions, enter the value of 1.03, exit the sketch mode, exit the assembly component mode, go to the patterns, sorry, mate, and go to the mechanical mates, click on rack and pinion. In rack, select this pitch circle. Sorry, in rack, select this line, and in pinion, select this pitch circle. Okay, but as you can see, it is not correct because the distance between these two gears is not fine. So let's make it closer. After that, go to the mates, right click on it and delete it because we are going to make it from scratch. Okay, so place the gear as per your requirement. Basically the distance from this line to this gear is 20 mm. So if you want to create a plane you can also do it. Okay, press Ctrl 8. So what we can do is go to the mates, mechanical, rack and pinion, select the rack first and this one, click OK. Now so if I move it you can see I'm getting great animation, but here's a one problem, it is moving forward and backward and I don't want it. So let's see what we can do to control it. So to make it control, first go on here, click on view temporary axis. Let's do some mating first. So select this one and select the front plane, click OK. Select this axis, select the top plane, click OK and move it downward. I need to measure something. Go to measure, select this face and this face. So it is 2.25. Okay, so what we can do is go sorry, mates, assembly, mate, uh, select this face and select the top plane, click on distance. So the distance is fine, 12 mm, or you can also use 10 minus 2.5 mm. Okay, 10 minus is 2.5 divided by 2. If I type 10 it is basically here, so 10 plus 0.5, 10 plus 2.5 divided by 2, 10 plus 2.5 divided by 2. Let me measure distance again, sorry for that. Evaluate, measure. So this one and this one is 2.25. Okay, 2.25. So what we need to do is go to assembly, mate, top plane, select this face, click on distance. So distance from here to here is 10. Okay, and so 10 plus 10, first type 10, after that plus 2.25 divided by 2. So we got this value. As you can see the line is greatly coincide. Click OK. So if I try to move it you can see I can move it, and plus it is not moving up and down. If they are moving up and down they are moving with each other. Let me see what we can do to make it fix as well. So select this one, go to the mates, select the top plane, click on it already coincides with it. So I don't understand why it is going up and down. Oh, okay, it is not up and down, it is basically moving this side. Okay, it is moving x-axis basically. So let's control this movement as well. So what we can do is go to the mate, select this face, select the right plane, click OK. So if I try to move it, as you can see it is totally working now. Right click, hide this because we don't need it and don't need it now. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now what we need to do is we need to create one more. So select this gear, press Ctrl D. Oh sorry, by pressing Ctrl and right click on your mouse, drag it and rotate this component as per your requirement. Click OK. Select this face and this face, make it parallel, click OK, select this face and this face, click OK, select this face, press Ctrl plus 8, clear selection. Now select this face and top face of the assembly, click on distance, so 10 plus 2.25 divided by 2, click OK. Uh, OK, select this face, press Ctrl 8 and move it to up to here. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to use mating. So go to mechanical mates, click on rack and pinion, select this one, and okay, I need to see circle. Mm, Go here, right click, click on show, and select this one. Click OK. So if I try to move it, you can see I'm getting animations. Hide it. So basically, we have created a one step. Now I need something that basically will rotate it. So let's see what I can do. For that, what I basically going to do is I'm going to make some parts to basically to do that rotation. So let's add it. Let's add those parts. Okay. So mm, first go to insert components. Click on new part. Select the right plane. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now click on this and give the smart dimension as per your requirement. In my case, it is 30 mm, 5 mm, features, thin feature, 3 mm, click OK. After that, select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Draw a circle like this as I'm showing. Or instead of making circle, we will simply attach it, and you don't need to make it that much complexity. Just mirror entities, mirror about this line. Click OK. Features, extrude, reverse direction 5 mm. OK. Now we have to make one more part. Now we need to do something to rotate it. So we are going to add a shaft. So let's see how we can approach this problem. So first exit the assembly component mode and go to the mates. Select this face and this face. Click on distance. Click OK and select this face and this face. Click OK. Now we are going to make one more part. So click on here, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. First we will create a circular shaft. So the height of the shaft is 40 mm and the diameter is 5, radius is 5 mm. Click on circular, click OK. After that, select the bottom face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Draw, sorry, not this one, uh, state slot, this one. So the total distance from it is 30 mm, and this one is 10 mm. Extrude it, click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, go to circle, draw a circle here, make it 5 mm, extrude it, 20 mm or 10 mm, click OK, exit the sketch mode, and select the top plane of the assembly, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a straight line, exit the sketch mode, select this and this, make it concentric, click OK, exit. Now what we are going to do is go to the mates, select this one and this one, go to the mechanical mates, click clone slot and click OK. After that, select this face and this face, go to standard mates, click on coincident, click OK. So one more thing that I realize now, that the distance is quite high, so it is not going to fully rotate it. So I need to modify this component. Click on add components and select this part, right click on sketch, click on edit sketch. Instead of 30 it is 15 mm. Exit, that is on component mode. Exit this and right click on it, click on select this part, edit components, uh, right click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, exit, that is on component mode. Okay, so move it downwards, go to the mates and select this face and this face, click OK, click OK, go here, hide all sketches and those access as well. Now if I try to do animation, okay, the views are not looking that good from there. So if I select this one, go to the motion study, click on motor, first increasing the FPS 30 FPS. After that, go to the motor, select this one. Let's decrease the motor rate RPM to 20. Click on calculate. As you can see, the animation. Let's make it playback. And right click on rotary motor instead of RPM. Let's say distance. It is 360 degree. Start from 0 and time is 5 seconds. Click OK. So playback loop mode. Click on calculate. So in that way you can make this mechanism. And no, I don't know what's this application. I saw this mechanism on Instagram, so I thought, hey, it's look cool. Let's try to make it. So this is how I make this mechanism, and I don't know any kind of dimension, anything about it. You see those mistakes that I have done while making this program, this mechanism. The reason is that I'm making this mechanism from scratch. I don't have any idea what is dimension, anything else. That is the reason you are watching me. What kind of mistakes I have done, and you need to learn from those mistakes. That that what I have done. Okay, so that you can learn why those mistakes have happened and what kind of you will get results. Okay, that is the reason I have shown my mistakes. If I want, I can skip those mistakes. Okay, so make sure that you learn from it. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask in comments. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.